The Rwandan President Paul Kagame is arrived in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, for the EAC SADC Joint Summit aimed at resolving the ongoing crisis in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Sanabona mashoko panapa ukomana parikuitara mashoko kuti mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe has been ignored. Nakomana na Kagame ku Tanzania uko. Don't subscribe or like on the bell. However, his arrival was marked by a notable diplomatic moment that has fueled speculation about the escalating tensions between Rwanda and the Southern African Development Community. In a video of his arrival, Kagame entered a room with African leaders and initially bypassed Zimbabwean President and SADC Chairman Emmerson Mnangagwa before returning to greet him. This seemingly minor act has drawn attention given the recent hostile exchanges between Kagame and SADC leaders, particularly Southern African President Cyril Ramaphosa. The strained relations between Rwanda and SADC intensified last week when SADC under Mnangagwa's chairmanship accused Rwanda of funding the M23 rebels operating in eastern DRC. During a recent SADC summit in Harare, the bloc explicitly blamed Rwanda for backing the rebel group, which has been responsible for the deaths of 14 South African soldiers deployed as part of the SADC peacekeeping mission in the region. The accusations triggered a heated diplomatic clash between Kagame and Ramaphosa. In a video, as Paul Kagame arrived achitungamirwa African leaders anouya achijamba mutungamiri wenyika kumumhoresa obva anomhoresa vamwe uchizodzoka to the SADC chairman. Panapa zvari kuti zvinozoratidza kuti Paul Kagame panguva ino haasi kufara the leadership the SADC, particularly the SADC chairman. Nokuda kwokuti vari kuve vachimublame vachiti ndiye munhu ari kufanda the M23 rebels vari kuonekwa kunzi vakauraya mapeacekeepers akanga atumwa neSouth Africa. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu. So now subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.